Back to basics, Flix. I like it.
Let the food smelling commence.
Wait. Flix should be blindfolded.
I'm already nose blind, so why not? Oh yes, strong vibes. I know exactly what this is. This is definitely strawberry salmon. What? A sardine souffle? I wasn't even close!
Never mind. You'll get the next one.
I don't think there's fish in this dish, but I'm not getting much of a clue. Is it spider pie?
It's vanilla mice cream.
We believe in you, Flix.
One more go.
I don't know.
It's a crunchy crab salad.
I can't smell anything. Oh, this is hopeless.